Hi everyone, Jamie Humphries here and welcome to another lesson where today we are taking a look at a beginner's arrangement of Back in Black by AC/DC. Anyway, let's kick things off by taking a look at the main verse riff. I'll play it through for you first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I've really stripped this arrangement back, although harmonically the chords are the same in terms of the relationship of them and they're in the correct key. Instead of using 4 major chords, I am using just 2-note power chords. We kick off with an E5. Then we're going to move our first finger down onto the G string and play the open D to play a D5, and we're going to play all downstrokes 3 times. So you get...